Why culinary? I think it chose me. It's just always been my life's passion. I don't remember wanting to be anything else. I grew up overseas, and so I always saw chefs and in bakeries and just the sights, the smells, the sounds. It chose me, and I answered, and it's been the best thing I ever did for my life, ever. Well, Lawton, for me, it's where I grew up essentially. And so I had the opportunity of having employment, being an instructor at the Great Plains Technology Center. It was always my commitment to go back. And so that's what prompted me. I've been here for 14 years. I've went back for 14 years every year to recruit students. And 2021, I ran into Maegan.
Yeah. My mom passed away when I was little. She was like the cook in our house. And my dad, he did not know how to cook. And I love my dad so much. He's my rock, and he is the reason I'm here. And my granny, she was a baker. She always did cookies and everything like that. And so I started with her and I started cooking. We made cookies, and I messed up a bunch, but I just kept doing it again. My granddad helped me make a steak, and it was just, the love of food just grew and grew as a kid. I started cooking when I was 5. Ever since that, I was just I want to do something with this. At the time, I was already applying for the Culinary Institute of America, and it's a huge thing, and I really, really wanted to go. And then he came in and he started talking about, no, we have it here. You can do that here. So 2 of my friends, for a year and a half probably, we were all planning to come, and it was all because of Chef Ware. We all came because of the times that he came.
The one way that I most definitely try to connect with them is I know where you come from, and I know not only where you come from, but I know what you can bring to the institution. I know what you can bring to the business just because of the way that they grew up. Man, it's, every year I've had one student, at least one student come from the technology center, but this year it's different, it's we got a crew, and we got big plans too, and they're doing amazing. They're working hard, and they're growing. That's the deal. The biggest thing is I've seen so much growth in 8 weeks just as human beings, adults. I just want to continue to grow just as Aaron. If I just continue to work on myself, it'll help me in, being the best teacher that I can be. I just want to do better today than I did yesterday. That's what the future for me looks like at OSUIT. I think the future for OSUIT and the Polytech initiative, it feels brighter than it's ever been. I'm excited, optimistic, all them things.